Hi everyone, it's Gayle. I am here with exciting stuff. I am here with a new design team package here from Blue Fern Studio. They have a new paper line out. It's illustrated and everything by Michelle Singh. And it's Christmas cheer. So it's a Christmas one. So I'm super excited. So let's open up and see what we've got. So first of all, they sent these are samples of it's called the Flower Market Bouquets. Aren't those fun? And so yeah, so I haven't looked in here. So let's see, we've got Blue Fern Blooms, Cornflower, Crimson, and Candlelight. So Blue Fern Blooms, it says on here, but it also says Flower Market Bouquets. So you might have to just check it out to see for sure. Oh, and see, these are twisted around. That's what I was wondering. So you can pop these out. You could use it as is, or you can unwind it and use the bits and pieces. So, oh, that's so fun. And then it's going to go with the papers. I can tell already. So, super fun. Those. Yay. Okay. Can you tell I get so excited when I get the new design team thing? I'm working on my project for Eclectic Charm right now, so I'm excited to be well on my way with that one, and so I can look at this one. So let's talk Christmas. Okay, let's look at the stamps. So let's see if I can stand up so you can see really well. Okay, so there's these sentiments which are so fun. Love you to the North Pole and back. How cute is that? Christmas is too sparkly, said no one ever. And all hearts come home for Christmas. Those are awesome. Cheerful sentiments stamp. So that's the first one. Oh, look at this one with the frames. Aren't those fun? Festive frames stamp. So there's 3 in there. This one is Starburst frame. This one, Joyous Borders. Look at those, aren't they cool? I love the little mail stamp things. And there's a 2-cent stamp right there. Oh yeah, that's fun. And then this one is called Seasonal Trimmings stamp. So garlands and, oh, I'm sorry, that's a real bad reflection right there. Garlands with ornaments, and these frames look like ornaments. Oh, those are fun. We're going to have some fun playing, aren't we? Okay, so there's that. And then this looks like ephemera and chipboard. So we'll find our way into this package. I will, again, put things in the description box where you can find these. And I've had a lot of questions about the description box. And so on your iPad, on your laptop, on your computer, and on your phone too, I believe, right? So pretend this is the video. Right down here, there's a little triangle. If you click on that, it will unfold the description box. And it's right under the video, and there's really good information, and there's always information in mine, but other people's videos too, there's a lot of information in there. So the description box is, you know, lower right hand, there's a little triangle, click on that, and that will have, and that's where I put all the links to things that I show on my channel. So just a little just a little YouTube lesson thrown in. Oh my gosh. So it's Christmas Cheer is the name of the collection. And look at those fun pieces here. I'll show you this side so you can see. Aren't those wonderful? Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Okay. Okay. And then we have chipboard. And of course, it always shifts in the package. Sparkle Snowflakes chipboard. So love these snowflakes. Oh, I can't wait to use them. Sparkle all the way, it says. And then this one, we wish you a Merry Christmas. All spruced up chipboard. So it's in the shape of a Christmas tree. And then little fun stars. That's super fun. Oh, look at this one. Fa La La borders. Aren't those cool? Holly Jolly. And holly. Oh my gosh. I see embossing in my future. Oh, look at this. These fun ones are tags. Good Tidings tags. So, the tag with the 25, I can see the 2 and the 5 are there. There's also a little Christmas tree, but then Let It Snow and Joy. How fun. Christmas Cheer. Christmas Baubles chipboard. So there's that one. Then this one is Merry and Bright frames. Oh, those are awesome. Look at how cute. Oh, fun. And then these are Christmas Cuties chipboard. So they're like little wreaths, a present, a bell, and a candle. Oh my gosh, so fun. So fun. Okay, well, let's get into the paper designs. You know, the moment we've all been waiting for. Okay, I learned something from one of my subbies, which is, you know, I always struggle with these plastic things. She said, just fold it down, and then you can unfold it and use it, but it won't stick to things. I tell you, you guys are so smart. Okay, so we'll do fronts and backs. How about? Are we in close enough? I think you've got the whole thing. Make your screen bigger. You know, that's another thing. When you're watching videos, in the lower right hand corner, there's a little thing that it's like a little corner, a little corner, a little bottom corner, a little bottom corner. If you click on that, it expands your screen, in case you didn't know that trick. All right. I'm in teacher mode today, aren't I? So the first thing is the whole collection is Christmas cheer. This piece of paper is called Cheery Cards. So it's journaling cards. And that's the back. It's beautiful bricks and a few little embellishments. And once again, the liner, I don't know what you call this, the name strip is decorative. I love that. And it's just that wonderful weight of paper from Blue Fern. Love it, love it, love it. Okay, this page is called Cheerful. And, oh, that's so pretty. Ooh, fun. I love the black around the edges of this. So that's that one. This one is called Delighted. Oh, how fun is this paper? I mean, you could fussy cut those if you wanted. It's blue lace on the back. Oh, so fun. Okay, so that's that one. This one's called Ecstatic. Oh my gosh, wouldn't that make a cute traveler's notebook? It would, wouldn't it? Oh my goodness. Bless me, I'm sorry. Okay, and then this is so fun. Oh, that'd be a fun base for tags if you could bear to part with this side. That's the trouble. That's why you get two. So you can use this side on this one and the back side on the other or something, you know? Oh, this is pretty. Look at the little angel. This Christmas tide, happiness. There's some little birdies down here in the corner. This one's called Happy. Love that. And stamps up here. As always, just so many layers to these papers. Love that. Love Happy. And here's Jolly. Another awesome TN, right? Tender Memory. Ah, and a Santa stamp. That's really pretty. So that's Jolly. Oh, and look at the back. How fun is that? Just a happy Christmas collage. This one's called Joyful. A Joyous Christmas. Joyful. Beautiful. Beautiful, beautiful. This one's called Jubilant. Look at, it's the pointy finger with a ornament on it. That's so cute. Love this. Look. Ooh. Oh, that's yummy. Ooh, I love that. Yes. All those colors. Oh, gorgeous, gorgeous paper. Mary. This one's Mary. Another really good TN. I love it when they put the main focus of the paper on this side, which you know your friend Gayle is going to chat with her friend Jen and the gals at Blue Fern about that, because it just, I mean, whether you do a large journal cover out of the paper or a TN, if you have the main thing there rather than over here, it's really helpful to us journal makers. Oh my gosh, look at that. Never mind, that is gorgeous. Oh, I love that. Gosh, so pretty, so pretty. Okay, this one's called Sparkling. It's got a little house. Santa's going down the chimney there, and a snowman. And then like advertisement type things. So that, and that is the last one. So we've got Sparkling. We've got Mary. Hard to pick a favorite, but I'm gonna try. We've got Jubilant and Joyful. We've got Jolly. I really love Jolly. Okay, Jolly's my front runner right now. Jolly. This is Happy. I love it too. If this was over here, then it would work better for a journal. Gosh, I think so far, yep, it's Jolly is my favorite so far. This will be fun to work with, really fun. And oh, ecstatic, delighted, cheerful, and the cheery cards. Yep, I think Jolly's my favorite, but I love them all. They are gorgeous, gorgeous papers. Good job, Miss Michelle Singh. And here's all of these wonderful chipboards to play with them. So you know I'm doing another Christmas project, another Christmas journal with these. And then all the stamps. And then the bouquets. So that's what we have from Blue Fern Studios this time. Woohoo! Thank you everybody for watching. Again, check out the description box for where you can get the papers. And we will just see you in the next video. Have a grateful day. Bye-bye.